Number 20. The Day the Earth Stood Still. This movie released in 1951. The first known alien visitor to Earth, Klaatu, comes in peace, but against the backdrop of the Cold War, his message isn't entirely understood. Accompanied by his silver robot friend, Gort, he tried to spread a warning: humans must live peacefully or be destroyed as a danger to other planets. Much like other movies and books at the time, The Day the Earth Stood Still explored the issue of war and peace at a time when the fear of the other was reaching dramatic heights. Synopsis. When a UFO lands in Washington, D.C., bearing a message for Earth's leaders, all of humanity stands still. Klaatu, Michael Rennie, has come on behalf of alien life who have been watching Cold War-era nuclear proliferation on Earth. But it is Klaatu's soft-spoken robot Gort that presents a more immediate threat to onlookers. A single mother, Patricia Neal, and her son teach the world about peace and tolerance in this moral fable, ousting the tanks and soldiers that greet the aliens' arrival. Number 21. Silent Running. This movie released in 1972. In the not very distant future, planet Earth has become inhabited and sterile, with no life left. Instead, interplanetary greenhouses, inside which the surviving plants and small animals of Earth grow, travel through space. An astronaut responsible for overusing the greenhouses is ordered to kill the flora in it, but refuses and joins forces with 3 robots. Besides the technological/sci theme, Silent Running is also memorable for being one of the earliest movies dedicated to environmental concerns. Synopsis. After the end of all botanical life on Earth, ecologist Freeman Lowell, Bruce Dern, maintains a greenhouse on a space station in order to preserve various plants for future generations. Assisted by 3 robots and a small human crew, Lowell rebels when he is ordered to destroy the greenhouse in favor of carrying cargo, a decision that puts him at odds with everyone but his mechanical companions. Lowell and his robots are forced to do anything necessary to keep their invaluable greenery alive. Number 22. Moon. This movie released in 2009. Moon pays homage to sci-fi classics like Silent Running, 1972, Solaris, 1972, and Alien, 1979, putting a lone moon base employee at the center of the plot. As Sam Bell approaches the end of his contract, he suffers a series of accidents. Having an AI system, Geordi, as his only companion, he embarks on a journey which leads him to a clone conspiracy and a fight against his employers. Unlike other movies of the same genre, Moon places less focus on technology paranoia and more on corporate paranoia, offering a more optimistic take on the use of AI technology. Synopsis. Astronaut Sam Bell's, Sam Rockwell, 3-year shift at a lunar mine is finally coming to an end, and he's looking forward to his reunion with his wife, Dominique McElligott, and young daughter. Suddenly, Sam's health takes a drastic turn for the worse. He suffers painful headaches and hallucinations, and almost has a fatal accident. He meets what appears to be a younger version of himself, possibly a clone. With time running out, Sam must solve the mystery before the company crew arrives. Number 23. Superintelligence. This movie released in 2020. A sentient supercomputer threatens to blow up the planet and chooses the world's most average person to prove that mankind is worth saving, and she has just 3 days to prevent the end of the world. Synopsis. When an all-powerful superintelligence AI system chooses to study average Carol Peters, the fate of the world hangs in the balance. As the AI decides to enslave, save, or destroy humanity, it's up to Carol to save humanity. If you liked this video, please subscribe to this channel.